In this video, I will show you how to share your screen on Google Meet. To get started, ensure that you are already in a Google Meet call. At the bottom of your screen, you'll notice several options available for managing your meeting. Among these options is the Share Screen button. This button is represented by an icon that looks like a square with an upward arrow inside it. Click on this button to begin the screen sharing process. A new window will pop up displaying 3 different options for sharing. Chrome tab, select this option if you want to share only a specific tab from your Chrome browser. Window, choose this if you wish to share an entire application window. Entire screen, opt for this if you want everyone in the meeting to see everything happening on your screen. Make sure to select the option that best suits your needs for the presentation. For this tutorial, let's select Chrome tab. Once selected, click on the specific Chrome tab you want to share. Additionally, there's an important toggle option when sharing a Chrome tab. It allows you to share tab audio as well. If you're planning on sharing video content or any media that includes sound, make sure this toggle is turned on before proceeding. Once you've made your selection and adjusted any necessary settings, click on the Share button located at the bottom right corner of this window. Now everyone in the meeting can see what's displayed on your screen. When you're finished sharing, simply look at the top left corner of your Google Meet window where you'll find a Stop Sharing button. Click this button when you're done, and it will end your screen sharing session seamlessly. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.